The next step I'm doing in prep for the Amazon trip and the next leaving in 10 days basically is I'm going to use this spray right here. It's called Ranger Ready, and this here is a anti-mosquito spray with permethrin 0.5%. You can see that on the label, and this will keep the skeeters away. All right, so I'm going to treat my clothes and I'll show you how we do that. Here is the first pair of pants. They're convertible pants. They have zippers here, so I could certainly turn these into shorts if needed. And it's just really spraying the fabric, and because it's on an outdoor chair, I'm okay if it gets a little bit of the skeeter spray on my outdoor furniture because we have mosquitoes here. So just really, I've already given this one soak off camera, so just showing you how this is applied. And this will be for all my outer clothes, shirts, pants, as well as socks, because the last thing you want are skeeters on your socks. So let's just flip this around. Okay, it has no odor. It has no odor, but I prefer to do it outdoors. Okay, just don't like spraying chemicals in the house. So this pair of convertible pants are pretty much done. As you can see, I have two more pants here to do, and then the shirts. So I'm gonna do all of that off camera and let them just dry outside.